Alden, it's your update. Yung bukas na ang 5th anniversary ng McDo ni Alden sa Binan Highway. Saka pinakita pa nga yung behind the scene photoshoot ni Alden for Casino Plus PH. Yan pa nga behind the scene ni Alden. Bago niya endorsement bilang brand ambassador ng Casino Plus PH. Yung mga picture ni Alden. Big blessing kay Alden. Congrats. Bilang ambassador ng Casino Plus PH. Ang gwapo pa nga ni Alden, Kasi naman yung kagabi sa event sa Enchanted Kingdom. Kumanta pa nga si Alden. Flowers din.
Maraming salamat po sa first all this night. I hope you had a good night. To Mayor Lee, Ma'am, I love you guys so much. So, I hope you have the rest of the evening enjoying everything po about this event, and then I'll see you soon. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Asia's Mobile Legion Star!
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell para na update. Ito po ang for reaction vlog. Bye guys, team for watching.